Hi, my name is Attorney Walter Rufnaut III with Disability Resolution PA. Let's go into question 99 of the top 200 Social Security Disability hearing questions that you'll hear at your OHO hearing. All right, 99. Are you able to lift the weight of your shoes, a winter jacket, or a pair of boots? All right, now we're still in the getting dressed category of questions. And I've actually got a whole lot more than this, but we only have 200 questions to do. I mean, if I did like the top 1,000 questions, we could get all of my questions in there that I look at, and that, you know, it's like a chess game. You know, you said this, and now I got to figure out how to fix that. Are you able to lift the weight of your shoes? So the normal way that this would be asked in hearing is, what do you think you can lift with your dominant hand? Right hand, left hand, whatever it is. We're breaking it down, teaching question. Are you able to lift the weight of your shoes, right, because they're heavy, a winter jacket, be descriptive into what type of jacket, a heavy wool coat, full length, well, you know, yada yada, or a pair of boots. Boots are usually heavier than shoes. A jacket could be heavier than all of those, depending on what it's made of, or lighter than all of those. These are great ways to describe why you'd have a difficult time with lifting clothing. And I bring this up because I always do the Florida claim stuff, but this time I want to incorporate something that might not be based in Florida. This is more of like an Oregon, North Dakota, you know, Maine, Ohio based question, Canada, where we're talking about shoes and coats and linens, well, not linens, and, you know, sweaters and jackets and blah, all that stuff. So basically, you notice how I just like ended with like my like heavy items that people wear. Like if we go to like the female category, there's like a million other items. You know, you got like leg warmers and arm warmers and stuff like that. So anyway, the point is, are you able to lift the weight? So this is helping define what you can actually lift. Right? Because some shoes weigh more than 10 pounds, some shoes weigh less than 10 pounds. Most shoes weigh less than 10 pounds. You know, in Florida, a lot of people are like, oh, I just wear like water shoes because they're super light, they don't hurt my knees, it's not hard to lift them, yada yada yada. But in other parts of the state, you can't wear water shoes, you get frostbite and your little pinky toe will fall off, and you have to put it like in a little bunny tail thing, and then you have to carry it around on a keychain. So that is a weird way to look at it. All right, we're going to be going to question 100. We're switching over to laundry at this point, laundry stuff. My name is Attorney Walter Rufnaut III. I'll catch you a little bit later. Remember, like, subscribe, feed me 5 stars where you can. And also, if you want to catch up with me, shoot me an email or give me a call if you want the most up-to-date information. Go ahead and catch me live 8 to 10 every Thursday, Eastern Standard Time on YouTube. 8 to 10 Thursday. I'll catch you later and we'll go from there. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.